Welcome to my live stream, guys. We are expecting to see in the next 7 minutes we'll be having the news out. So we'll be having the news out in the next 7 minutes, and in the next 7 minutes we're having the news. So we're trading BTC, and I'm actually like bearish for BTC. I'm bearish. Okay, so let's see what happens. We have 6 minutes to go. We have 6 minutes to go. Okay, so we have 6 minutes to go, and already BTC is already reacting. BTC is already reacting, and I'll have my stop loss as at 63,122.24. So my stop loss will be around that zone, and then so let's see what happens. Let's see what happens today. So let's see. In the next 5 minutes, the news is coming up in the next 5 minutes. Hope you can hear me, guys. Hope you can hear me. The news will be coming out in the next 5 minutes, and already the chart is already reacting. So let's see what we've got. So let's see what we've got. In the next 4 minutes is the news. In the next 4 minutes. In the next 4 minutes. 4 minutes. So I'll be waiting for this position on BTC since, and because of this news now, I think the news is further gonna push it down. The news is happening in 3 minutes. It's happening in 3 minutes. And 3 minutes, the news is happening in 3 minutes. So we are expecting the news. I don't really know if you guys can hear me. Hopefully, if you can't hear me, you can see my screen. In 2 minutes, the news is coming up. In 2 minutes, we are having the news. We are having the news in 2 minutes. So, are we ready? So let's see. So let's see what's happening. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen. In 1 minute, we should be expecting the news. The Fed chair has been kind of hawkish, mm, but we're gonna see. The chart is gonna show us. Okay, the chart is gonna show us. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. So 17 seconds to go. 17 seconds to go. Four seconds to go. 1 second. Not yet out. Okay, I think after 15 minutes we should expect. After 15 minutes we should expect the press release. We should expect the press release after 15 minutes. Oh, so let's see, let's see. So guys, what do you think? Guys, what do you think? Do you think we're gonna make it today? Do you think we're gonna make it today? Uh, uh, come up, guy, come up, guy, come up, come up, come up. Yeah, come up, come up, come up, come up, come up, come up. No, no, no. I said come up, come down. Shit. FOMC minute. So let's see. So data is not yet shown. The data is not yet shown. Let's look at gold. They aren't reacting at all. Anyways, not yet. But gold has been bearish. Gold has been bearish, very bearish. After Trump said the war is ended or the ceasefire stuff, gold drifts lower after Trump says deal with Iran is over. So that means the Strait of Hormuz or the Hormuz Strait is actually partially opened, and what the significance of that is that the price of crude will be lower. Price of gold will be lower, and then gold too. So yeah, there's no movement. There's no kind of big movement happening right now. We just have the little kind of stuff. No big movement happening from here. So let's just. I think we're gonna be patient and straight. So uh, I'm actually bearish. So I'm bearish. I'm bearish, and I will be holding. So yeah. BTC. BTC. Um, it it actually not moving like like NFP you get. But we bearish, we very bearish, we very bearish, very bearish. And so let's see. So hold on. I think 15 minutes after 15 minutes after the uh, the press, I think yeah, the Fed chair will now have his speech, right? Because I'm kind of, what the heck is happening? Why are you not moving? Why are you not moving? I mean, we don't see anything yet. We have 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes. We have we have 5 more minutes to wait. 5 more minutes to decide our fate, whether we boom or we crash. 5 more minutes. See if we boom or we crash. So I think I'm seeing some kind of trace, and it's not looking good from here. I don't like it. I don't like the fact that it's. Whoa.
I saw myself at beneath the daily low. It's not working. That big of stop loss isn't working. We're not even get paid off the one to one. So where? Here's somewhere like an arbitrary number. Maybe we just put it in 852.5. We can do stuff like that and then still a one to two. Just understand your stop loss limitation is definitely arbitrary. Definitely arbitrary. In any case, that trade right there, if you were going to take a position for the rest of the day, that's not a bad one. Just remember, you are doing business right in the guts of where everybody else is doing business. No question about it. All right, how's our NQ trade going? We haven't even got it yet. Frustrating, right? Nice sell off, 38% good money. Depending on a 1 minute chart. How about our gold trade? Our gold trade's rocking and rolling. It's doing exactly what we needed to do. I mean, that's fantastic. So, is this a dovish or a hawkish FOMC minutes? What's happened to the dollar? The XY dollar index. Almost coming off. What does that mean? Dovish. Right?
Shit, 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 shit. It's 15 minutes already, bro. 15 minutes already. 15 minutes already. Past the 15. Whoa, whoa. What the? Okay, okay. We have a kind of we're having a kind of bullish engulfment, and one, two. In a 1 minute time frame, I want to study the uh, the market is very, very volatile right now. In a 1 minute time frame, we have this kind of structure. This in a minute time frame. 1 minute time frame for BTC. 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. Shit, shit. Uh, so as of now, there's no new FOMC rate decision today. So what was just released today is the minute from the June 6th to 17th. I mean 16th to 17th, and yeah, of the FOMC meeting, not a new interest rate. And so now I can't see any actual figure yet. Okay, and then I think there is no new Fed rate decision. So, but what is going to be happening is that we're going to be watching the market right now. Okay, now what we're going to be watching the chart to see is whether um, we're going to be watching to see is whether more Fed officials support another rate hike this year. Okay, and then we're going to be waiting to see if um, we're going to be hawkish or dovish. But till then, let's just hold on and see what's happening. So let's head back to 15 days time. Cool. Uh, my stop loss is just above this high, just above this high, and I'm actually I'm risking a lot. I'm risking a lot. Yeah. Cool. You can use the link in my bio to join my Telegram channel. Okay, use the link in my bio to join my Telegram channel. It's for free. For free, my Telegram channel. Just use the link to join. For free, guys. Waiting. Ready for BTC to just boom. Last FOMC happened on the 17th of on the 17th of June. So let's go to 17th of June. Let's find the January, February, March, April, May, June. Let's find that. Let's find him on the 17th of June. On the 17th of June, like nothing happened with the Great Court. So let's see June 26th. I think it should be this 17th. So this is 17th. So on the 17th of June, we are hawkish. Yeah, we are hawkish. You can see this candle. This candle took us all down on the 17th. And then here we are today on the 8th of July. We are today on the 8th of July, and we are still very much bearish today. Very much bearish. But let's see kind of so at this point there's a very huge that is like a resistance, like price is being held down from that point. Price is being held down from that point. So and we have a huge fair value gap too. We have a huge fair value gap, and then also there was a breakout here. There was a breakout here, and I've been waiting for price to retest this one, and then price retested this one and went all down, and then price is going for the second time to retest that one. For the second time, price is retesting that one. So price, what have you got for us? What you've got for us, price? What you've got for us? Your price, what you've got for us? What you've got for us, price? Price, what you got for us today? Price what you've got for us today. Yes, wait. Price what you've got for us. What you've got for us. What you've got for us. Let's see. So I can see price rejection. I can see price rejection 1 hour time. I can see price rejection 1 hour time. You can see price rejection on the 1 hour time. I think today is gonna be a very patient trade. So all you have to do is go get a coffee and just chill. Go get a coffee, or you get yourself a bottle of water, because today's trade is gonna be a long one. It's gonna be a long one. It's gonna be a long one. It's gonna be like, believe me when I say it's gonna be a long one. Believe me when I say it's gonna be a long one. That it's gonna be a long trade today. Let's see. Price is being actively rejected. Price is being actively rejected. You can see the rejection from that point. You can see the rejection from that point. And let's see. I think what I'm actually working with, it's the trend actually. The trend of what has been happening. BTC became bearish again after a slight after this slightly bullish in the past, I think 2 days now. And then after Trump said that the deal between them and Iran is over, I think we have the red everywhere again. We had over billions liquidated from the stock market, and so we had BTC again continuing with the pattern. We have BTC again continuing with the pattern. So if you want to be taking my daily trade course, use the link in my bio. You see my link tree. Then I advise you to follow me on my social media platforms, because I post often there, and because you don't know where I will pass information at a time. So I encourage you to join my Telegram platform, and also there is a WhatsApp group too. You can join, so we learn together, we share ideas together. So you just take few minutes and do it. And if you follow me in this life, type 2 guys, type 2 in the comment section. Type in 2 in the comment section. Type in 2 guys, type in 2 guys. And so while we keep waiting, I want to know where we are watching from. Okay, so where are you guys watching from? I want to know where are you guys watching from? Where are you watching from? So we shot in BTC, guys. We shot in BTC. We shot in BTC. We shot in BTC. Yeah. So and this is gonna be a very like a long one. Like I think this is gonna be a long one. So a shared I have to switch my mic just went off now. Whoa. So I have to switch mic right now. What? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I believe you guys can hear me, right? I believe that you can hear me, right? Yeah, like I believe so that you guys can hear me. I think sorry, sorry guys. Oh, shit, shit. Uh, so we have a point of interest. We have a point of interest, and I think your BTC break lower, break lower, and we'll see what happens. Yeah. So we keep holding on. We keep holding on. We keep holding the short. Okay. We keep holding the short. Excuse me if I can only be fine. You don't know, like I know what you have done for me. I will sing FOMC. Why don't we have anything here? Why? Why? Why don't we? Why? Why don't we have it? Why don't we? Why don't we have anything for it? We don't have anything yet. So we don't have anything yet. So um there is a point like this point here, if if we break below that point, then I think we should be headed for our TP. There is a point like this point here, if if we break below that point, then I think we should be headed for our TP. There is a point like this point here. Okay, so another 15 minutes candle is opening up. Another 15 minutes candle is opening up. Minutes candle is opening up. This 15 minutes count, can you just respect yourself and start coming our way, please?
I have to take this kindness with you.
Just just respect yourself and start coming here. Start coming our way. Ah, don't do all this shakara, please. This 15 minutes count, can you just respect yourself and start coming our way? And just start coming our way. Just start coming. Just start coming. This next 15 minutes candle that's opening looks like she is having a problem with me because I know it's a she. Looks like we had problem before. We had problem before. I don't think so. Okay. Let's go to a 30 minutes time frame where it is less noisy. In a 30 minutes time frame where the chat is less noisy. So we see. And on the other hand, this is good. Sweep off this liquidity, come back. Good. Sweep off the liquidity, come back. Good. Sweep off, come back. Gold trips lower, go down by so if gold breaks away with a full body candle, then we should be looking for a buy entry on gold. If gold breaks away with a full body candle, just like this, if gold breaks away with a full body candle, then we'll maybe say it's like sweeping away um, the the supply zone, and then we would see this and retest, then come down. So that is one probability. Okay, that is one probability that could happen with gold now. And also when if actually it breaks, if if gold breaks and holds this position, then we should uh, consider a high. We should consider a high for gold. And on a second thought, it could also do something like this, and boom. You know, what is actually happening right now is that there is a kind of indecision happening in the market. Like um, the two parties here are very skeptical. The sellers and the buyers are very skeptical because right now the FOMC release is not yet out. So so everybody is just assuming. So so everybody is just assuming that maybe um, it's hawkish or maybe it's dovish. So I think that is the reason why we can see this this little bit of sluggishness in price. We can see this little bit of sluggish in price. And I also think it's because of the time, right? Like this is like market closure. Yeah, I think this is market closure. I think the market is closed. So we don't have much volume right now. We don't have much volume right now, so I think that's it. So, hmm. Yo, you can use the link in my bio to join my Telegram platform. So you take my analysis whenever I bring up analysis. I give daily trading signals on my platform where we trade BTC, crypto, and we trade metals, um, gold. Yeah. So if that is what interests you, I think you should head. Just use a minute and head over to my and head over to my bio and get yourself in ASAP. Okay, and get yourself in ASAP. You get yourself in. You find yourself on the platform. Find yourself on the channel. Like we trading like family. The singular goal is to make money. The singular goal is to defeat poverty. The singular goal is to go away from being broke. The singular goal is to yeah. We actually have many goals, yeah, and you can set your own goals from today. Okay, you can set your own goals, but I think I took up trading uh, for freedom, but uh, am I really free? That is a big question. So the 30-minute candle opened as a closed as a doji, which shows that there is indecision in the market right now. There is much more indecision on the market. And then we have another 30 minutes candlestick opening, but in a bullish trend. What the man? Look, you know one thing that happened with me? When I'm trading short, I actually have enmity with any long candle. Like with any candle that contradicts what I'm trading. I have problem with you. Like I, I I've got a serious beef with you, guys. If I'm long in a trade, I don't want to see any red candle. I don't want to see any red candle. If I'm long in a trade, I don't want to see any short candle. And if I'm short in a trade, I don't want to see any long candle, man. I just want everything to look with me. I just want like everything should just go red, down to my direction. You get. I just want everything to go red, 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 red to my direction. But it's not possible because if it happens that way, that shows that you're not trading because this is like a typical market, but in a virtual way. Okay, now in the market, you don't only see people that come to sell or only people that come to buy. Okay, so if a market is only saturated with people that are buying and there are no people selling, it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. So that's one of the things that tells us that okay, yeah, um, we are in a real market. But what's holding these men from breaking down? What's holding you, man? I think we're gonna be longer in this trade. We're gonna be longer in this trade because I'm telling this guy to fly and he's crawling. He's not even walking. Boom, 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 boom. I said, come down here and he's crawling, bro. He's crawling. I said, run. I said, fly. And he's crawling, bro. I said, fly, fly. I said, fly like the B2 jet with speed. Like, I want to see you pew. I want to see you pew. Like, okay, I'm coming. Let me show you what I want you to do. Now, this is what I want you to do. Now, this is what I want this man to do. This is what I want you to do. I want you to head all the way down. Yo, 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 bro. Yo, yo. Yo, bro, yo, bro. Down, down, down. Now, down, bro. Down, down, down. Push down, push down, push down, push down. Push down. Yo, 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 yo. I can see you, bro. Push down, push down. All I just want is TP, bro. All I just want is TP. Okay, okay. It's uh she's headed our way. She's headed our way. She's headed our way. So you okay? Our way. Man, I think we're gonna be sleeping here today. I think we're gonna be sleeping on the chat today. We're gonna be sleeping here. Like I really do think so. We're gonna be sleeping here. Like sure we gonna be sleeping on the chat today. We're gonna be sleeping on the chat today. Hey, type into in the comment if you're active. You're typing to let me know that we are active. Tap into if you're watching on YouTube, you're watching on S on Twitter. Yo, type two, bro. Yo, type two. Yo, type two, let's see. And also let me know in the chat. Yo, let me know in the chat where you're watching from. Yo, let me know in the chat where you're watching from. Yo, let me know where you're watching from, guys. So we are approaching TP1. We are approaching TP1, guys. We are approaching TP1, guys. We are approaching TP1. But then there's a point I'm very, very interested in. Like, I'm scared of that point. I can see this liquidity here, this buy side liquidity, and we're gonna have a little problem. Yes, we're gonna have a little problem there. And we're gonna have a little problem. And if I see a confirmation that this problem is gonna be huge, we're gonna close in our TP1 and wait to see what happens. Okay, so we another 5 minutes candle is opening. Another 5 minutes candle is opening. Another 5 minutes candle is opening. Okay, so this next 5 minutes candle. So let's see. So let's see how price reacts to this point. You can see the price is already trying to go up. We're having these points to watch. So 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 let price break up below that point. We have that point as a concern to us. That point is a very concern, like is a very concern to me. It's a very point of concern. 2 5 62 62. Okay, so we have that point to to sh- to break. It's like it's like we breaking a rock, and it doesn't take a day to break. You know, right? It's just like we breaking a rock, which doesn't take a day to break. We have another candle that is against our progress. Another candle that has vowed that she won't let us be. I think we might be having a problem. Yeah, I really do think. And I knew that point is going to be a problem for us. I knew that point is going to be a problem. But we keep holding on. We keep holding on. We are not scared of the market. We are not scared. We're not scared of the market, bro. We're not scared. We're not scared of the market. We're not scared. We're not scared. So I'm actually, I think we having the accumulation stuff here, like this pattern, the accumulation stuff, uh, manipulation and distribution, accumulation, distribution, accumulation, distribution, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Then I think he too, we kind of we're gonna be having that to accumulation and the distribution. So, but let's see how it plays out. Let's see how this plays out. So, I, I think I should add more channels to. I should add more channels, right? So I should let it die. Let it die. Uh, I actually went to get something, but I'm back. I'm back. Uh, I'm back while we're waiting for this guy. I'm back. So I'm back. I'm back. So let's see. Let's see. And good on the other hand is just stagnant too. Everything is just stagnant. Yes, Sunusi have 11,000 holders already. Have 1.5 million. Um, with all-time high of 3.7 million. This is US oil. And this is how US oil is reacting. Plus 10%. How is it done? So we had a massive candle drop down. So we had a massive candle drop. So we're anticipating it to break that low. If it breaks that low, that means we have nothing to fear again. If it breaks that low, we have nothing to fear anymore. If it breaks that low, then we are all good to go. Good to go, good to go. Just let it break that low, and then I can even add more positions if it breaks this low. I can add more positions. Share this video wherever you're watching from, please. You share this video, share this video. Share this live stream. Share this live stream. Share this live stream. Share this live stream. We have so much, there's so many things happening in the market at the same time. There are so many things happening in the market at the same time. That is what is happening. If not, we should have a boom or crash. I'm not free traded indices. There's something called boom or crash. I think, is it boom? Yes, now boom or crash, or boom and crash, something like that. So we could either have a boom here or we have a crash here. But we pray for a boom instead of a crash. FOMC minute alternative scenario showed potential rate hikes or cuts. Okay, so this is like news flash. So nobody actually knows what the Fed. I love this news. He said dollar lacks direction. I swear. Even BTC is even lacking direction. Good, like what the. So guys, we keep holding on. We keep holding on. We keep holding on. Like there is yet indecision in the market. Very, 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 very strong indecision in the market. What? I don't want. I don't have time. I don't want to. Okay. I should just continue with that, right? I should just continue. Let me just continue. And sure, this trade has taken us. Okay, gold is going our direction, bro. Gold is taking our direction. While BTC is just like struggling car. BTC is actually struggling very, very much. Let's see. Um, this kind of shows a massive rejection. It's been a long day, bro. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. It's been a very long day. It's been a long day on this trade. Very, very long day. We have another 15 minutes candle opening. Another 15 minutes candle is opening. Stand still. Okay, guys, we're still holding up, right? We're still holding up. And if you're not following me on my Twitter, just do where to follow me now. Okay? Just do where to follow me now. Follow me on my Twitter. Bro, hit stop loss or hit TP. Stop taking our time, bro. Gold is in our way. Do, do, do. Okay, guys. So we keep holding and yo, will I will drop the outcome on the platform. Uh, I I will keep the trade um also running. Okay, I'll keep the trade also running, but I've got to go. Thank you for sticking around, and I appreciate that. We've been here for the past 1 hour and 30 minutes. We've been here for the past 1 hour 30 minutes, and you stick around with me. I appreciate that. I appreciate that kind of gesture. I do appreciate that kind of gesture, man. So, okay, we had NFP on Friday, right? So yeah, bye, bye guys, bye, 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 bye.